Taylor in here thinking she whipping it up this morning.
Get in the kitchen and whip it to work.
Trying to play Susie Homemaker and all of that.
Yes, honey, for my minute.
Oh. Oh, you camera ready. Okay. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So we are on the way to our boat ride.
The bag broke.
The bag broke. Oh crap. Okay. We'll have to put the ass up in the other bag. What?
Girl, we got the picture of another thing.
Do you have clothes?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what made me rush. I had to hurry up and grab some. Kendall was like, shit, we got a pair of clothes. I was like, man, I forgot. Yeah, I got that little rubber.
I recorded a whole video
I
and
know,
y'all
I
still
seen it.
wasn't ready.
I was ready. I was
Got
waiting for
changed
it.
and they still wasn't ready.
I was waiting
Got
for
3
the-
kids together and they still wasn't
That's
ready.
good, because you're normally the one that
No,
ain't
I'm
ready.
not. I'm on time.
Amber, stop.
Okay, hush. Kendall getting ready to drive jet skis.
Speaker. What you say, Kendall?
You was talking to me.
You was talking to me.
He's not talking to you, is he? Can it be?
Don't talk to me, Mama.
Hey, girl. How was it? Go ahead, Linda. Don't be scared now. Like it?
Yeah, it was fine. It was weird though. Like it's weird. It feels very weird.
That's what the guy was saying.
I kept stopping because as soon as you start picking up speed, then it start feeling like you're gonna fall off, and I got her.
Yeah, I got you, girl. Take off, Jazzy Bear Boo. Take off.
Yeah, you did.
Y'all digging it so far?
I'm loving it. We were supposed to go. Well, actually, this is Orange Beach. We staying in Gulf Shores. We were supposed to stay in Orange Beach, but they were all booked up. So. Gulf Shores, we staying.
Linda. Did you like it? Yeah. I saw you. You were catching some serious waves, girl. What happened? No, I was like, oh man. Jazz just like flopped into the water. It was terrible. She was gone.
Here, it's gonna jump out right there. You see
Yeah,
it?
I'm trying to get close to this group that's right in front of us. Here, I'll put them on my left.
Look, you see the dolphins? Your first time on the
The jet skis?
jet skis?
Yes, you know I did.
Mommy was not telling the truth.
What did I lie about?
The mermaids.
We did see a mermaid.
And we got a new person.
Y'all tell Paris in the comments below that we saw a mermaid. She was on the jet ski with Kendall coming back, so she didn't see the dolphins. But I told her we saw a mermaid. You missed it.
I should have came with them.
You should have. You wanted to ride with Daddy. Mommy bring the mermaids out. I got some lip gloss.
I got some lip gloss.
Boats are fun.
Did you see mermaids?
Mermaid.
All cleaned up. Ooh, give me some of that. We just finished with the boat. Dang. And now My makeup artist is getting me together. Thank you, Linda. Thank you.
You're welcome, honey.
I'll meet you at the hotel.
All right.
Mhm.
Make sure you have my coin.
Now we're about to go get something to eat. There is a restaurant here called Flipper, but I don't think we're gonna go to that one. I think we're gonna go to the wharf because it's got like a laser show or light show at like 7, and then they have like, it's like a marina, I guess. So they have like a carnival Ferris wheel type thing. So I think we're gonna do that now.
Well, not scared, but I like it. Hi, Tyler. Tyler's over here. Daddy don't see us. They don't see us. What if we get stuck up there? You gonna have to stay here tonight?
Yep.